Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about Looker Studio. Previously it is known as Google Data Studio, which is one of the most powerful visualization tool which syncs complex data from multiple platforms into one unified real-time and easy to understand reporting dashboard. So let's get started. So now we'll be looking into the navigation of the Looker Studio. Here you have the search bar where you can search any reports or any data sources, anything you can search here in the search bar. And you also have the advanced search options. You can search by the report or the data source. You can search by the owner, who owned it, or someone shared it with you, or any specific person. You can do the search, and you can also search by the name, and also you can search by the time as well. That is about the search bar. And the left hand side, if you click, it will redirect into the home page. And the second one you see is the help options, whether you're not understanding how to navigate or create any report or also connect with the community. This help feature helps you. And also if you want to learn Looker Studio, also you can learn from here. It will just give you the basics. Okay. And next we have the settings, which is the user settings. Once you click on it, you have different options here. The first one is the marketing preference. They'll ask you whether to send emails or whether you want to know any update on the product or any research or the recommendations. You can click on S and it will allow you to send the emails or the messages. Next is the developer options. This is for the community connectors. If you enable it, you can connect with the community. Next is the account and privacy. This will tell you about the information of the account that you have connected. You can update your details, who is your primary contact and who is your data protection officer, etc., etc. The fourth one is revoke data source. If you are no longer working with a particular data source, or if you want to update your data source to any other data source, you can revoke the credentials here, so that it will be easy for you. Not going there and clicking and doing that, you can revoke the credentials here. It doesn't mean that your data or the dashboard will crash. The new data which will be fetching from that will be stopped. To stop allowing these data sources to access your data along with your credentials, you can click on the revoke credentials. You can just click here. And the next one is revoke consent. If suppose you are connected your data source with GA4 or Google Ads or any other tools, you will be giving consent for the email, right? And if you want to stop updating your data through those channels, you can click on the revoke, and the data will be stopped coming from those data sources. So the dashboard will not crash or anything. It will not update the new data that has been fetched into our Looker. And also you have the Gemini settings here. You need to have a pro subscription to enable this. So this is about the settings. And the next one is the account. This is how Looker Studio will understand you based on your account and email ID. And you can also manage your account, and you can sign out if you want. And please ensure whenever you are logging through Looker Studio, ensure you are logging with your current email ID. Next, we have the create button. We can click on it. If you just click on it, it will create a new report, or it will ask whether you want to connect or create a data source, or you want to have the explorer option here. So this is about creating a data source, report, or explorer. Here also we have the same thing in a widget wise. You can click on the reports, you can create a blank report, or you can click on the data sources and you can create a new data source from which you want to fetch the data, or also you want to see the explorer option where you can create a new report. So this is about the tabs. And here you have the templates where you can click on the templates and you can use them. These are the ready inbuilt templates that we have. And here we also have the recent dashboards that we created. You can click from here and also you can go into that particular dashboard. Second, you have shared with me. That means any of the reports which are shared, right, which will be displayed here. And if you're owning certain dashboards, this will be here in your owned by me widget, where you can see and you can click on any of the dashboard and you can start working. And you can also work on the reports you have already deleted, and all the dashboards or anything which are removed, right, which will be in the trash. Okay. And here also you have the templates similar to what we saw. Here you have multiple templates, like if you're working with Google Sheets, what kind of reports you can create with BigQuery, and also with your Google Analytics. Next, we have the options here. You can sort the reports by name, by owner, and also by the time. So this is how you will be navigating in Looker Studio. And next we will try to create a blank report and connect the data source and start creating our visualization and our first dashboard.